हाय, वेलकम टू क्विक नो चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। टुडेस टॉपिक टेनोर स्मार्टफोन टेनोर डी इस 3GB 32GB edition. It's crafted for Amazon. Unboxing and overview. Please subscribe to my channel to get more updates. So let's see. I bought it from Amazon.in in 599. The specification of the device: color AM gold, and processor, it has processor Snapdragon 425 quad-core processor, and display 5.2 inch HD display, and it has 13 MP rear camera and front 5 MP. Battery 3500 mAh. It has 2 SIM slot and 1 SD card, 3-in-1 SIM slot, so you can use both SIM and 1 SD card. Both are 4G. It has supported LT, VoLTE, and it has fingerprint sensor. It has LED notification and OTG support. The device comes with one device, one travel adapter, one SIM ejector, one warranty card, and one USB cable. Charger rating 5V 2A. The software of the device run Android 7.1.2 Nougat, and it upgraded to 8.0 Oreo update. And writing here shows that it's made in India. I mean, it's assembled in India, and it's made by plastic. That kind of plastic body. It's a SIM ejector key, and I am going to eject SIM tray. It has 3-in-1. I mean 2 SIM slot and 1 memory. It's 720p resolution display. On the device run stock Android 7.1.2. That means it will be more speed than custom ROM, so it's not be hang. It will not hang. It will not hang, and the batteries will be last longer. I take few shots. Camera is okay on this price, and the rating of the camera 4/5. and few hours later the device is not heat up. It's the main point. Overall okay on this price, and